Hello everybody, this is PillarTrading.com, and in today's chart of the day we are going over the Emini S&P 500 index. This is the September delivery here, and what we are looking at currently is a daily chart. We are trading 1078.75s, and we are going into Monday, start of the week. So let's take a look at what has been happening and areas of interest coming up on the 15-minute chart. If we go down to the 15-minute chart, what we have seen and what we saw in the close of last week is, guys in the room will remember that we were short from these 1074.25s, looking for an area down here at 63 evens. Okay, that traded 62.75s was the low of the day. From there, we moved back up and broke out of the next sequence, the next short sequence, and everyone knows that when you do that, when you break out of a sequence, what you have to do is look to play the opposite direction, and that's what is exactly what has set up here going into the start of the week, which at the moment looks bullish. We had from lows to highs 1062.75 up to highs here at 1079.50s. We had a move back down into a buy zone. Okay, that started at 1070.75s. That target for the intraday buys is up here at 1084 even, 1083.50 to 1084. So what is setting up here in the after hour session is strength off of this 1070 even up into 84. Now, if this happens pre-market, which it doesn't look like it's going to, but if it does, look for a breakdown of the long setup, look for a breakdown, and then a gap fill. Okay, it is Monday, the day least likely to fill in terms of gaps, because we are starting a new trend for the week, so most likely to leave that old trend behind, but it is still a high probability play. It is still better than 50-50 that that gap will fill, so you have to be aware of where it is. Right now, currently, we are trading 3 3/4 points above the 415 fill, and the 4 o'clock fill is at 1074.25. So here's what we are looking for on the day today. If we see increased strength up here into these 1084s, we're going to look to play the next long move. And it's interesting because the next long move will be off of this 50% here to wherever this market turns around. And that is leading us back up into this next weekly and daily sell area. That starts at 1096 even, is the next point those long-term bears are going to be looking to defend their positions and initiate new trades. So if we get that sometime this week, that's going to be a very large sell signal. And again, that's just the way that you calculate that is just drawing from 1129.50s down to lows at 1062.75. This market can still be bearish on the larger time frames. Right now it's bullish on the short time frame, the intraday time frame, we are bullish. On the larger time frames, we're still bearish, okay? And what is happening is this is the next bearish setup. So a retracement up into those 1096s is not out of the question. In fact, it is to be expected. So just know that it is out there. We may get it early on this week. That would be advantageous, as we could have a big week to the downside if we can get it early on. If not, just remember that it's there. It will trade sometime this week if we continue to move up, and be prepared. Guys, that's it on ES. The plays are out there for today. Watch yourself on a Monday. If you've got questions or comments about this chart or any of the other charts that we do, or the live trading room, please visit us at www.pillartrading.com. We try and get those live questions answered as quick as possible, as well as emails or anything like that. So stop by, give us a look, and see what you think. So I will see you all in the next video.